Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing another Splendies haul. So let's get in and let's get into the haul. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, today we're unboxing another Splendies haul. And Splendies, for those of you who don't know, Splendies is an underwear subscription. We get 3 new fresh pair of undies for $14.99 a month, but I'll put a special code underneath the video. They have like a 50% off, so your first package would be half the price. So there you go. So I love this subscription. My daughter and I actually share this subscription. So 1 month I'll make the size mine. The next month I'll switch it over to her size. So we both actually get 6 months worth of new undies. So I actually love it. The quality of the subscription is awesome. The quality of the underwears is awesome. So I've never had a problem. I've had this a little less than a year is what I've had this for. So it's been a while, but I totally love it. That's why I keep subscribed. So every month you get a package and it looks like this. Doesn't have, well, it has your information on the back, but it's very discreet. So no one knows what it's about. No one knows what's in that package. So, you know, it's very discreet. So, and the thing that I love about this package is they always put it, it's always packaged in this tissue paper. So again, super discreet. No one knows what's in this package. So let's see what is in this month's package. Now, when you get your Splendies package, it's always at the end of the next month. So this is actually the Splendies for February. And they usually charge you in the middle of the month. That's why you're getting at the end. But let us see. So let me see if I can figure out, okay, these are gonna be mine. But this, and because whenever they do a theme, each package, I didn't say that, but each package is themed. So because you're getting it the next month, it's always gonna be that next month's theme. So of course, you guys know in March, they have that St. Patrick's Day. So this is what just busted out to me. So let me just share with you guys this here. So this here, this is like that spandex rayon feel. Let me see if I can see the type here. I think this is, it's nylon. That's what it was, not rayon, nylon. So of course, with it going with the theme for St. Patrick's, this is what it looks like. It's not lace, no ribbons. This is straight up that no line underwear. So I love it. I don't have anything St. Patrick-y. So there you go. That's my first pair of underwear for the theme. Okay, and then the next one we have, oh, and I forgot to mention, Splendies gives you like different companies, but they also have their own brand. So this one is from Splendies, and these retail value for $12. Okay, so there you go. And then the next one we have here is from Wilshire and Montana. And the retail value for this is also $12. You can see that there. And then this is what that looks like there. And forgot to mention the size of the underwear. It actually goes all the way up. I believe it's very high. I think it's 4X, I believe. But you gotta go look on their website just to make sure, because they do go up to plus size, but it goes up from small to all the way up. So just in case you're curious. And then this one is just, looks like it's a polka dot white and navy, and then it's lined in like a creamy color there. It looks like more so of cream. I was gonna say light pink, but no, this is like a cream color. I love it. It's all lined in that cream color. So it definitely is unique. And again, this is like that soft nylon feel to it. And then last but not least, we have, this is gonna be from, let me see, Honeydew. So this is, I don't believe I've had Honeydew in the past. You can check my blog to see my other unboxings, just to check that out if you're curious. I don't think, not off the top of my head, that I've had Honeydew before. Again, this is gray. And then at the top, it's all lace, and on the sides, it's not lace. So this is more so, it looks like the theme for me has been like no line underwear. So that's what I've gotten here. So let's just do a recap and see what came in for March. So again, we have the gray underwear here. So we have this, that's that. And then it's lace at the top with pretty lacing, and it is actually see-through. So just in case you're curious. And then the next one we have here is just trying to fold it as much as I can. Then the next one we have here is gray with the white polka dots, and they're all soft, nice quality. And then last but not least, we also have, like I said, the St. Patrick's theme here. So if you signed up, unless they're sold out, I think you can sign up and see what it'll tell you when you sign up at half price with that, using that code. It'll tell you which box or which package you're actually ordering. But like I said, I love it because each month is totally themed. And then if you have like a daughter, you can always share that subscription and switch up the size. As long as you remember to switch up the size before the next month, then you'll have no problem. So with that being said, let me know in the comment section below if you guys got any of these 3 here. So I have the St. Patrick's, and then the gray, and then, you know, this one here. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys got this, because they are super random. So every package that you look, if you watch on YouTube, you'll see all the packages are totally different. So let me know in the comment section below if you got any of these or if you got totally different ones. I would love to definitely know. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day, guys.